Welcome to the 39th edition of Anish News Capsule. I'm Shrija from BBA first year. Here are today's headlines. Indian Bank plans to raise 1500 crores. IT hiring goes on untouched. Fuel rate surge 10th time in May. T-Hub partners with 9 cores to accelerate growth for startups. Mid-tier IT firms set for big growth. Government want legal opinion on cryptos. Income Tax Department to launch new e-filing portal for taxpayers on June 7th. Indian Bank plans to raise up to 1500 crores. Indian Bank is planning to raise up to 1500 crore capital through additional Tier 1 bonds, that is 81 bonds of rupees 500 crore and Tier 2 bonds of rupees 1000 crore to enhance their capital profile. IT hiring goes on untouched. Despite the unrelenting second wave pandemic, hiring momentum is unlikely to slacken up in the IT industry. Experts are of the opinion that overall hiring in the first quarter of the ongoing fiscal FY22 will be at least 20% more than the same period of last fiscal. Apart from high iteration and utilization levels, rising employee absenteeism is another factor responsible for addition of new employees. Fuel rate surged 10th time in May. There seems to be no respite from the growing petrol prices. Fuel rates have surged for the 10th time in the month of May. The last pump price of petrol in Delhi is 92.85 per litre and diesel 83.51 a litre. While fuel rates in Delhi are the benchmark for the entire country, retail prices of two fuels differ from place to place because of variations in state taxes and local levies. There are two key reasons for higher petrol prices and diesel rates: taxes on auto fuels and spike in international oil prices. T-Hub partners with 9 cores to accelerate growth for startups. Hyderabad Innovation Ecosystem Enabler, T-Hub has collaborated with 9 new leading companies to help its startups accelerate growth during pandemic by providing various operational services. It has joined with Cashweek, Sixcom, CFO Bridge, Condura, Fireflies.ai, HandySense, Lunch Club, Safine's and the Legal Capsule as its premium partners. These new partners of T-Hub will support all its startups with a suite of service for efficient functioning and will be aligned to the drastically changing needs of startups to grow since the pandemic. The alliance benefits the service providers as well by giving them a platform showcase their offerings and establish them as reliable partners of our startups. Mid-tier IT firms set for big growth. Mid-tier IT service companies are benefiting from the rising outsourcing of offshore locations like India, despite bigger companies concerning the majority of large deals. Even though clients are shifting part of their work from small and mid-tier companies to tier IIT firms as part of vendor consolidation process, mid-tier firms are also witnessing steady deal flow owing demand upstick. Rising offshore has benefited all service providers, be it big companies or mid-tier firms. Though mid-tier firms were not able to bag large deals like their bigger peers, the deal flow remains healthy, said Pariksh Jain, an IT outsourcing advisor and founder of Pariksh Consulting. Government want legal opinion on cryptos. The government plans to consult global Indian expert and seek legal opinion at the highest level before it comes to final decision on whether to allow trading and holding of virtual currencies such as Bitcoin in some form, sources close to the development said. A fresh consultation, senior government official said, was felt necessary as there have been a major changes in the way these virtual and cryptocurrencies operate and are traded. Income Tax Department to launch new e-filing portal for taxpayers on June 7th. Income Tax Department is going to launch a new income tax filing portal on June 7th, said the Central Board of Direct Taxes. The existing portal, which will be phased out later, will not be available for taxpayers and other external stakeholders between June 1 to 6, it said.